Hi guys, it's Vincent from Wonders of London, and I've just found a great spot in Hampstead Heath to read. Hampstead Heath on a really lovely day like this is one of the best places you can actually go reading. And I'm actually reading a little bit about William Blake. So I have a quote from one of William Blake's verses, and it goes something like, "My hands are laboured day and night, and ease comes never in my sight. My wife has no indulgence given, except what comes to her from heaven. We eat little, we drink less. This earth breeds not our happiness. Another sun feeds our life streams." So that's quite lovely. And there's another very, very beautiful description by William Blake. So that one was a bit dark, but this one is quite brilliant. Then the divine vision, like the silent sun, appeared above Albion's dark rocks, setting behind the gardens of Kensington. So that's a description of different areas of London. But I'm here at Hampstead Heath, which is a great place to read. And if you look, you have lovely, lovely benches all over the place. You can see this one in loving memory of Margit and Heinz Gutenstein or Gutenstein, not sure how you pronounce it, but one of the other famous things about Hampstead is actually the views you get from Hampstead. So you've got all of this nature and this natural vibe going on, which is simply brilliant and phenomenal. And you feel like you're walking in a woodland or a forest. And it is very, very majestic. But as you continue this way, in the distance there, you have the Kenwood House estate, which is quite brilliant. You have Kenwood House, very, very beautiful. But from here, you have a fantastic view of London. And that's why I decided to read to you 2 bits describing London from Hampstead Heath. Because from Hampstead Heath, you actually have this phenomenal London view.
Are we going to Kenwood? Should I go next?
Yes.
Okay.
So there you have it, the view of London. And there's a bench right next to me, so you can actually sit here and enjoy that amazing view. Just there by the bench. And what you're looking at is this phenomenal view of London in the distance. You can see the Shard, the city buildings, a little bit of the Gherkin, a little bit of the walkie-talkie, and several other amazing London buildings. And if you just come here, bring a book, get a flask of coffee or tea, or some frozen water, and you will have a simply phenomenal day. Thank you very much for watching. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, currently in Hampstead Heath. Bye!